The system database contains names of many nerves. To simplify selection of the nerve in conduction studies, the user can create a short list of their commonly tested nerves. Click on Edit, then on User Setup. Select Frequent Nerve Setup. The master list of nerves in the system database is shown on the left in alphabetical order. The list on the right shows the frequently tested nerves. To remove the name of a nerve from the frequently tested group, select it. I will use radial as an example, and then click on the Remove button. We can add nerve names from the master list to the user list. Identify the nerve in the master list, and once again I will use the radial nerve as an example. Click on the nerve name and then click on the Add button. The nerve added appears at the bottom of the list. The position of the nerve name in the list can be adjusted using the Move Up and Move Down button. The radial nerve is highlighted. I will click on the Move Up button to bring it to the top of the list. Use the Move Down button to bring it under the ulnar nerve. When the list of nerves is configured, click on the OK button to save it. This list will become available starting with the next patient study.